My feet! Oh my god!
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to MAGALUF strip as we currently walk down it. So this is week 2 of me being on my month with SpringBreakWorkers, and we're actually on our way to another activity as I'm vlogging this right now. We're actually going to Jungle Parc today. So Jungle Parc is like sort of like a Go Ape thing that you get in well, that's what I've seen from what I've seen online. It's like Go Ape that you get in England. So we're going there now. All of this up behind us, but we're literally gonna miss this bus if we don't hurry up.
Run.
We're on a school trip. Me and Lucy's pocket money from lunch. We're at Jungle Parc now. We just read the sign. It's that you don't touch the ground for like an hour and a half. Me and Lucy's starving, so we're gonna get some crisps quickly. We have to scram these quickly though.
So what are we doing?
Currently going to pass. Large is really shitting himself. This one's
Large, you alright?
No, I'm so scared of heights.
It's fun though. Guys, if you come to Mallorca, definitely come there. It is fun.
My feet! Oh my god! Hey! Oh!
Guys, we're just fresh off the little trail, whatever the flipping hell that's called. We had to get an ice cream. Let's get an ice cream and some fizzy drinks, didn't we?
We're treating ourselves.
I have literally no energy, so some chocolate and a fizzy drink. Well, this is actually an ice cream. Yeah. We made it back to Maga. Literally knackered. Like my legs hurt, my arms hurt, pull it myself. But it was worth it. It was really, really good fun.
What do you mean by that?
Just shut up. Stunning.
I'll walk home.
We're gonna have some spag bowl and then we're gonna do what we did last night, which was like we had cups of teas and we watched a movie and just chilled out.
Like we're in MAGALUF and we're literally spend our nights going to the beach and having a cup of teas and watching films.
Yeah, well, I do want to start going out a little bit more. These have been so boring.
No, I said I'd go out. I'll go out tomorrow.
Okay.
After, oh, wasn't
Sound.
it? Yeah.
Or this weekend at least once.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the plan. Morning guys, we have the aircon man here. But today is water park day, bitches. So we've actually had a very crazy, what's the word? What's the word to describe our last 2 days? I can't think right now. No, that is not the word to describe it. Like how active we've been. We're very active. That'll do. We've actually had a very active 48 hours because obviously we did the rope thing yesterday, the Go Ape thing, and then this today. I was so tired last night, it was crazy. We had spag bowl for dinner, it was really nice. Right, you reds?
Yeah.
You got a key?
Put some moisturiser on my psoriasis.
On your psoriasis?
Yes.
Self-diagnosed, but okay. Do you want me to bring a key or have you got one?
I've got one.
Cool. Perfecto, then let's go to the water park. Okay, so we're at Everest and we're meeting everyone here in 15 minutes, but we've just ordered some toasties, so I'm hoping we can scram them really quick. I'm so excited, I love a water park day. At this water park they have like rides that you can go down in like 4, like all in the same dinghy. So that'll be really good for like us and Lucy and Petrie. It would just be really funny. We're at the water park, this is Western Water Park. Oh, there is a lazy river.
Going
so
on
excited. We're going on the big hole.
We're just going down now.
I'm gonna go out there. Hi.
Uh-oh.
Going underwater.
Hi guys! Today is Sunday and we're having bottomless brunch at Oceans, but we've just got here and everyone's just so done out. Like, it's 12 o'clock, which is like back home, the middle of the day, but in Maga that's like the start of the day. Like, I'm so tired. And I also got drunk last night. I had wine and cards night with Holly and Elijah. So I'm struggling, I'm just starving. But obviously bottomless brunch, so I can't wait to have some food. This is our setup. So we've got all the spring break girlies, and then we're right by the pool. And yeah, it'll be lovely. Lucy's here with me. Lucy got a new job last night, didn't you?
Yes.
So she's going to be shot girl at Tiger come Monday.
Yeah.
Hopefully she lasts more than 2 nights at this one.
No, you're fine.
I made that sound like it was your problem, but it weren't. Fuck the other
That's
place.
their problem.
In your right hand. That's just literally in your right hand. Right now. Right now.
Doing right hand drinking again, aren't they?
I'm so sick of this.
You've had enough.
You sit off. If you don't drink it, you'll wear it on your face.
Oh, have that.
Jack's already on one. We've been here for 10 minutes. Look.
Do that thing. What is it over?
Go on, girl. Wow, thank you so much. Oh my god, that looks actually insane. So I went home and got changed. Another pizza. Give me that fucking scran. It was a bit tough.
Is that meat on top? OnlyFans. Really? I'd be like me over him though, but I wouldn't do it, but like...
Okay.
No! No! Hey, turn round, I've got one. Who's most likely to cheat on their partner?
I'm loyal, babe.
I would say Jack.
Oh, don't leave me hanging quick.
No one. Right, if no one's drinking, both of you got a drink. Who's most likely to jump in the pool right now? Get the hair wet. Yeah, that's it. That is it. Jump in. Jack, go on. Ah, it's so hot. Jump! It's so
I need a bake soon.
Guys, I'm a bit Prosecco drunk. The brunch is like ended now, but it's still good vibes. Everyone's still here. Guys, now I'm with the boyfriend. He's back with me. Did you miss me today?
So much.
Shut up, I know you did. You did. Anyways, we're at Lennon's now, so we're gonna have a drink here and then we're gonna go back, get in the pool, have some dinner, and chill. And it's gonna be really lovely. We just ordered some passion fruit daiquiris, so let's see what they're like. Lucy wants to jump in. Oh! Give me that. Take your skirt off.
Let's go.
Yeah, go, go, go. Hold your nose. Glasses! What's that about?
What's that in English then?
Go. See you later. Can you get up? Are you alright?
So, hey, Burger King man.
He want to no, if they tell them of her. He want to add you.
In a picture.
Look at him in the
Say hi to the video.
Say hi to the TikTok.
Hello to my ginger,
Hey guys, it's girls' night tonight. So we've got all ready and dressed up. And we're gonna go to Bondi for some dinner and drinks. I don't actually recall the last time I was on the vlog. I feel like it was a while ago. I went out last night, got really, really drunk by accident. So yeah, I need to have another wine to keep the party going. Boys are also having lads' night tonight, so they're going for dinner somewhere else, but they actually stole our place because we're going to Bondi and we wanted to go to this other place for cocktails, and the boys were like, no, we're going there, so we'll have to find somewhere else. Not gonna lie, I did start eating, but we're at Bondi now with everyone. Hello. Bonnie's got beef with some of the waiters here.
No, it just pissed me off, yeah, because I went to her. Can we get the bill? Can we get the bill? And like, she's looking around, she's not in her own mode, looking around, looks at me. I go, can we get the bill? She goes, they're staring at me, and I'm like, the bill?
Can we get the bill, please?
Like, are you, like, I just don't get it.
She's been viewing about her for like 15 minutes. Holly, where are we going? Where is she?
You can go Crusoes if you want.
Crusoes? That was so long trying to get the bill, like they just taking ages. I was getting on my right tit. Took the piss.
Ridiculous.
Took so long.
Like every single time in fucking Bondi though, like they do take piss.
Yeah, it's a nice little spot, but it does take long to get anything done. Having a shot of the pink shit. Cruises is shutting now, so we're just having one last shot, right? That's a big shot. Holly, you know me, I won't be able to finish that, but okay.
Yes, you can. You certainly can. Down now.
Why is that literally a milkshake?
Oh my god. That is so cold.
It's literally a fucking milkshake.
Bit of Nesquik. Guys, you found, oh, I just don't want to be involved. Guys, you found Lucy at her new job. How you finding it?
Great.
Everyone come Tiger Tiger, buy a drink off Lucy.
Fantastic.
We've just had this, it literally tastes like strawberry lace, isn't it?
We're drunk.
We're in the Alchemist, getting a drink, girls' night. Guys, I'm smashed. Shock horror. Hi, baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life. And Holly just went, guys, should we play a game?
Wait guys, is that a fight over there?
I said, should we play a game?
I put that in there.
Holly goes, oh my god, is that a
They
fight
all
over there?
looked over there. Quick. Wait, where you know? Go back to the song. Sing along.
Game ball, come on.
Sing along. Let's go.
What? Listen, Holly.
Let's
chill.
let's
Take a chill pill.
let's
Stop
let's
saying
fun.
Am I
Let's
saying it?
fun.
What am I doing?
Let's party night.
Sam is too drunk to vlog right now, so I'll do it instead.
Might want your own knees because they're harder than that. Pussy! Pussy! Massive pussy! That's awful. It's awful. It's a shame. If you don't get 800 on this, you're a pussy. 810.
This is actually the earliest I've been up and out in ages, which is really shameful because it's literally like 12. It's like half 11, 12.
Sort your sleeping pattern out though, getting up there.
I know. Yeah, my sleep, oh my god, sleeping pattern's messed up. I went to bed. To be fair, I went to bed really early last night, but I made a point of doing it. Like, I went to bed at probably like 12, 1. Well, early, that's early for Maga. And then I woke up at 4:30 and could not get back to sleep. Because basically where we stay, there's like banging music from like a club. And the club shut at 6. And then after that, I was like already too wide awake. So I've just been awake ever since then. So I've had a large coffee. Palm over beach. Beautiful. We're in Santa Ponsa. This is what Santa Ponsa looks like. We're obviously by like the harbour where the boats are. We're just waiting for our boat. They actually told us that it had a technical difficulty. So it's to come at 1 instead of 12, which doesn't fill me with a lot of confidence for today. I'm sure it'll be fine. Guys, this is a little boat. So cute. Okay guys, we're off. We just had like our brief and now we can go out. We've got it for 3 hours. He's going. Like, about half an hour before we got on this boat, we had a conversation about sharks. Yeah, I know. My camera's getting. Apparently this is meant to be look like a crocodile's head. kind of see it. Oh my god, the whole bite.
Pietro, we're going.
Right, leave him, go. Right guys, I feel like this vlog has been a little bit all over the place. But yeah, that was week 2 with SpringBreakWorkers. I feel like we did a lot more in week 2. We had done a lot more activities and that. So remember, if you want to work abroad or just come away for the season or just have a month-long holiday for super cheap, then book with SpringBreakWorkers. They actually have some availability for September, I believe. If not, it's open again next April, so maybe see you then. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and I'll see you next time. Bye.